Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Frozen yogurt has become a go-to treat for anyone craving something sweet without the heaviness of ice cream. It first gained popularity in the 1970s as a lighter alternative, with its tangy flavor and creamy texture winning over dessert lovers. Unlike ice cream, it's made with yogurt cultures, giving it a distinct taste and often fewer calories. Whether you prefer it topped with fruit or drizzled with chocolate, it's a versatile dessert that fits into many diets. From mall shops to DIY recipes, frozen yogurt has evolved into a staple for health-conscious snackers. It's not just about being lower in fat, it also offers probiotics for gut health. If you've ever wondered how it's made or why it stands out from traditional ice cream, you're in the right place. Let's dig into what makes frozen yogurt so special. The origins and evolution of frozen yogurt. Frozen yogurt didn't just appear overnight, it has a rich history that shaped its rise from a niche treat to a global favorite. From its early roots in health-focused cultures to the flashy self-serve shops of today, its journey reflects changing tastes and dietary trends. Historical beginnings. The concept of frozen yogurt traces back centuries, with origins linked to ancient cultures like the Turks and Greeks, who mixed snow with yogurt for cooling desserts. But the modern version we know started in the 1970s, when dairy producers in the US experimented with freezing cultured yogurt. It was initially marketed as a health food, capitalizing on the growing interest in probiotics and lower-fat alternatives to ice cream. Early versions were tart and icy, but they laid the groundwork for what was to come. Commercialization and growth. By the 1980s, frozen yogurt went mainstream. Brands like TCBY, the country's best yogurt, turned it into a household name, emphasizing its healthier appeal. The soft-serve format made it easy to serve, and toppings bars added customization, drawing in crowds. At its peak, frozen yogurt shops rivaled ice cream parlors, especially as diet trends shifted toward low-fat options. Key factors in its rise. Marketing. Positioned as a guilt-free indulgence. Accessibility. Shopping malls and strip centers made it convenient. Variety. Flavors expanded beyond plain to include fruit swirls and chocolate. Modern trends and innovations. Today's frozen yogurt scene is all about balance, flavor, texture, and nutrition. Self-serve shops let customers mix and match toppings, while plant-based versions cater to vegans and lactose-free diets. Innovations like high-protein options topped with nuts and granola for fitness fans, dairy-free bases made from coconut, almond, or oat milk, and artisan flavors like matcha or lavender honey keep the treat evolving, proving that even classic desserts can adapt without losing their charm. Whether you're in it for the probiotics or just the taste, frozen yogurt isn't going anywhere. Nutritional benefits of frozen yogurt. Frozen yogurt isn't just a tasty treat, it packs some surprising health perks. Unlike ice cream, it's made with live cultures and typically has less fat, making it a smarter choice for those watching their diet. But how does it really stack up nutritionally? Let's break it down. Probiotics and gut health. One of frozen yogurt's standout features? Probiotics. These live bacteria, also found in regular yogurt, help balance your gut microbiome. A healthy gut can improve digestion, boost immunity, and even support mental health. While not all frozen yogurt brands keep probiotics alive after freezing, many do. Look for labels mentioning live and active cultures. Ice cream, on the other hand, lacks probiotics entirely. If you're choosing between the two for gut health, frozen yogurt wins. Lower fat and calorie content. Compared to ice cream, frozen yogurt is usually lighter. Calories. A half cup of vanilla frozen yogurt averages 110,130 calories, while ice cream can hit 140,200. Fat. Regular ice cream contains 7-10 grams of fat per serving, but frozen yogurt often has 0.4 g. That said, watch out for sugary toppings or sweetened versions, they can cancel out the calorie savings. Opt for plain or lightly sweetened options with fresh fruit for crunch without the guilt. Protein and other nutrients. Frozen yogurt offers more than just fewer calories. It's a decent source of protein, around 2.4 g per serving, thanks to the milk base. Greek yogurt-based versions pack even more. It also provides calcium, essential for bones, with about 10–15% of your daily need per serving, and vitamin B12, which supports energy levels and nerve function. While ice cream has some calcium, it lacks the protein punch. If you're after a treat that keeps you fuller longer, frozen yogurt is the better pick. Just remember, nutrition varies by brand. Check labels to find options with minimal additives and maximum benefits. Popular flavors and toppings. Frozen yogurt shines because of its endless flavor combinations. Whether you stick to timeless classics or try seasonal picks, there's always something new to discover. And with toppings? That's where the fun begins. Crunchy, sweet, or fresh, they take your bowl from basic to memorable. Classic flavors. Some flavors never go out of style. These are the ones you'll find in almost every shop, loved for their simplicity and reliability. Vanilla. Smooth and creamy, a blank canvas for toppings. Chocolate. Rich but lighter than ice cream, perfect with berries or nuts. Strawberry. Bright and fruity, often made with real strawberry puree. Tart Original. The tangy traditional base that started it all. These classics work well alone or layered with mix-ins. They're also the safest bets if you're introducing someone to FroYo for the first time. Seasonal and trendy flavors. Limited-time flavors keep things exciting. Shops often rotate these based on the time of year or current food trends. Pumpkin spice. A fall favorite, spiced with cinnamon and nutmeg. Peppermint. Festive and refreshing, popular around the holidays. Matcha green tea. Earthy and slightly sweet, a hit with tea lovers. Mango habanero. Spicy sweet for those who like a kick. Watch for seasonal specials. They're a great way to taste something unexpected. That's the end of part 1. The history and cultural background of frozen yogurt have been covered. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.